Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday day to you. Yay! Happy birthday, Chantal. You are now 2 months old. Happy birthday from Mama, Dada, Kuya, and Ate. We love you so much. Hello. Hello. I'm 2 months old today. Chantal, 2 months old. Mhm. Ayan na si Chantal, ang laki-laki. Chantal, ang laki-laki. Alam ko itong anak ko na to. Kiss-kiss naman. Diyan. Kiss-kiss. Ito yung mga kamay ni Chantal, oh. Ay. Chantal. Nakatingin sa ilaw. Nakatingin sa ilaw ang Chantal na yan, ah. Ang laki-laki. Haba-haba na ni Chantal. Chantal mahaba. Haba-haba na. Haba-haba ni Chantal. Nabakunahan ang Chantal. Masakit ang kanyang hita. Dalawang hita ang natusok. Tawa-tawa naman Chantal. Chantal. Dance tayo na. Dance. Ang taba-taba. Ang taba-taba. Ang taba-taba. Ang taba-taba. Sayaw. Where are the duckies? Quack, quack. Bakit umiyak ang baby na yan? Umiiyak naman ang dalaga na yan. May masakit ba kaya? Masakit ba yung bakuna niyo? Naglibbi-libbi naman ang dalaga na yan. Huwag na tayo maglibbi-libbi, anak ko. Okay lang yung baby ko. Hindi naman masakit yung bakuna natin. Yung bakuna ba, anak ko, masakit? Tinusok yung dalawang kita mo. Natusok yung dalawang hita ng dalaga na yan. Binakunahan. Wow, naka-Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Ay, ang taba-taba ng baby namin Ay, ay. Tumatawa ang dalaga sa kanyang mama. La 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 la. You're listening? Nakikinig ka kay mama? Yes? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I kiss the baby. I kiss the baby. Yes. Yes. Mama. Mama, dada. Mama, dada. I love you. Mama and dada. I love you. Mama and dada. Mama and dada. Mama and dada. I'm listening. Mama and dada. I'm listening to you. I love you. Hello everyone. This is Chantel. Tulog na tulog si Chantel. Chantel namin. Gusto niya magpakarga. Bagong ligo. Bagong ligo si Chantel. Hello, bagong ligo ang dalaga. Ito si dalagang, laki-laki na niya. 3 weeks pa lang yan. 3 weeks pa lang itong laki-laki na niya. Chantel. Stretching. Dada is cooking. Ate Scarlett is watching TV. Mama and Chantel are here. Karga-karga. Si baby Chantel na mabait. I love you, I love you. Baby Chantel. Ay, baby Chantel, oh. Taba-taba ng pisngi. Taba-taba ng pisngi ng dalawa namin. I love you, baby Chantel. I love you, baby Chantel. Malapit na siyang mag 1 month old. Yay! Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! I'm sleepy. (3:44 a.m.) Katatapos magdidi ng baby namin. Baby Chantel. Kiss-kiss muna. Kiss-kiss muna kami nila. Baby Chantel. Hello everybody. Puyat mode. Today is Chantel's dedication at church. Yeah, finally. Finally, baby. Finally, baby. Chantel. Back to sleep na naman. Mamaya gigising ulit ang Chantel namin. I love you. Chantel na namumuyat.